beans. All children are not the same, so just look for an alternative. Look for something that works for your child and start doing it, and you'll see that your child will start looking so beautiful. Hi, how is your weekend going? How is your weekend going? So today it has been clean up upon clean up, cooking upon cooking. So I'll show you the food I made for my daughter. She's done eating. I am making vegetable soup now. So my nieces are cleaning. So weekend is always, Saturday is always cleaning upon cleaning, cooking upon cooking. So I'm about to make vegetable soup. About to make vegetable soup. So how many of you know this thing? Iru. They call it Iru. So I like using it to cook my vegetable soup. But funny enough, nobody in my house likes it. So that's why I'm putting a little. My husband doesn't like it. My two needs it. They don't like it. For me, I like putting it in my vegetable soup. So since they don't like it, I'll just add small, a little to it. So I want to turn it to keto. So I've added the water leaf and join it together with the ugu. So here is the look of our vegetable soup. So I've mixed it together with the water leaf. Here is the look. So as I'm cooking, I have plates to wash. I am washing plates. I am cooking so that it won't choke. So as I'm cooking, I am washing at the same time. I noticed that this whole food I've been doing for my daughter it's so amazing. So I've been looking for avocado pear for a very long time. I didn't see it. So yesterday I went to the market and I see it. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So this morning I made for her sweet potato, carrot. I cooked sweet potato, carrot, red apple, but I peeled the back of the red apple. I peeled it out. So that was what I made. I cooked red apple, avocado, what is name? Red apple, sweet potato, and what is name? Carrots. So I cooked it together with the sweet potato. So when it was soft enough, I carried it out and blended it with avocado pear and banana. So the thing came out amazing. So when my daughter put this morning, the poo was so soft. It was so soft. So if you have been giving your daughter pap like me, that's corn like me, try all these things. It's healthy and it's nutritious, because I notice a whole difference in my daughter's skin and body, because plus the cream that I'm making for her, I'm the one making the cream that she's rubbing, so she's looking so demure. So why not try all these things? Try all this recipe. It works. Don't wait like me. Start waiting till your daughter start eating raw food like normal cooked rice, normal cooked beans. All children are not the same, so just look for an alternative. Look for something that works for your child and start doing it, and you'll see that your child will start looking so beautiful. So happy weekend to you all. Today we are busy. I am cooking. My nieces are mopping, so I have the kitchen to myself. So I'll cook in the kitchen. After cooking, I'll mop the kitchen. So they themselves, they are mopping the rooms, they are washing the toilets, and they are done washing the clothes. Baby Joella just finished eating. She's with her daddy in the sitting room. So stay tuned. I love you all. How you doing?